Welcome back, food explorers. Today, we're making something creamy, sticky, and a little bit swirly. Peanut butter. Let's see how it all begins. Here they are. Peanuts. Small, round, and full of crunch. But how do they become peanut butter? Let's take a look. With a little help from our magical kitchen, we can get things moving. Watch closely. The peanuts are starting to break apart. Now they're turning sticky and smooth. Now it's soft, swirly, and ready to spread. That's peanut butter, made from just one simple food. Let's pretend we're swirling peanut butter. Hold your spoon and give it a big slow stir. And swirl, swirl, swirl. You did it. You're a peanut butter pro. Give yourself a sticky swirl of a cheer. What a tasty discovery today. Peanuts can swirl, spin, and spread into something new. Keep the curiosity going, and I'll see you next time in the Food Discovery Club.